Hi friends, so Euphoria makeup is so back and this is the look that I came up with. This is so Euphoria inspired. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay friends, so somebody on TikTok wanted me to do a tutorial on the Euphoria makeup that I did um just the other day. And I didn't film a tutorial, but I'm going to film one for YouTube and for TikTok, you know? So yeah, if you all want to see that, please keep watching. So I'll be starting with the LA Colors Ice Pigment Powder. Um, what shade is this? Oh, this is Twinkle. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Just using my finger. So I'm just going to dip my finger in it and just like apply it. And I have hooded eyes, so I go a little higher, you know, because when I close my eyes, well, when I open my eyes you don't see it, so I'm just going to apply that a little higher. After putting that ice pigment on my eyelids, we are going to go in with some glitter primer, and we're going to put that right on top of, just right on top of this, you know. That's for us to put some chunky glitter on afterwards. Gonna get a little brush and just spread some of that glitter primer all over my eyelid here. A lot of the things you want to do, you want to keep your eyes open if you have hooded eyes, because when you close your eyes, it's just going to crease everything. I'm using this chunky glitter that I have from Ambrosia Cosmetics, but you can get this chunky glitter anywhere, any type of chunky glitter that you could find that's purple and blue. So this is cosmetic grade chunky glitter, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid for more of a shiny look using a brush, or you could use your finger. After I apply the chunky glitter, I'm going in with some rhinestones. I have these rhinestones, sorry if it looks dirty, these rhinestones from Amazon, and I'm going to put like rhinestones all over. So I'm going to just speed up that part. I'm using lash glue to put on my gems and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay friends, so I am finished with one eye, and I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then we will do the glitters and stuff and the lips together. So I'll be back. Okay, so I finished the second eye. T. So now I'm going to put gems along my edges, because I feel like Euphoria, they just have like, you know, gems on the edges and stuff. I needed this short because the hairstyle I'm going to do. Okay, so we are going to move on to the bottom. We have glitter. I have these purple and blue glitter, you know, just some loose glitter, and I'm going to take my glitter primer and I'm going to make like a drip kind of like effect. Taking my brush and I'm doing like a type of like a drip, so it's like a U, and then I'm making like a big drip like that, and then a small drip, so it look like I don't know, it looked like tears. And I'm dipping in both of them like religiously. So I'll go into the blue and I'll go into the purple and just put them everywhere where I did the teardrops. Okay, so after we do that part, I'm going to do white eyeliner. Should have done this first, but oh well. So I'm putting white eyeliner on my waterline. And I'm going to put three little like pieces of a lash on my lower lash line. So like any lash that you have, that's, you know, any lash you could use. I'm using this one. I have this one for like a long time, and I actually do not remember the name of it. Oh no, wait, it's the Ardell wispies. Yeah, it's one of the Ardell wispies, and I just cut it up, and I'm just going to take the little hairs and stick it on my lower lash line. Just 3 pieces. See how that eye looks? I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to do the next side. Yes, so for the lips, I used the glitter primer on them. I don't know if you could do that. I have sensitive skin and I did it and it didn't do anything to my lips. So I put glitter primer on my lips like this. The same glitter, and I'm putting it on my lips like this, just using my finger, because I wanted my lips to also be glittery, you know. And I just touched my nose with the glitter as well. And then I put lip gloss over it. This one is the NK Makeup lip gel with vitamin E. It's mango. It smells really good, so I'm going to put this lip gloss over it. Or you can use any lip gloss you have, or clear lip gloss, and it should look just as good, you know. Didn't have a shiny choker to wear with this look. I made my own choker using these same gems. I just created a choker and I think it came all good. I'm going to finish this gems choker, and I'm going to come back with my hair and outfit on and show you guys the final look, so stay tuned. Okay friends, so we're at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and can you let me know in the comments what type of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. And yeah, thanks for watching.